So I'm with Victor here today at Free World Jewelry here at New York's Diamond District. So Victor recently purchased the GemLightbox. He'll be telling everyone in Spanish what he loves about the GemLightbox.
Por ahora estamos muy contentos con esta compra porque va a resolver muchos problemas que teníamos en tiempo pasado y se ve muy interesante y con el tiempo irá en avance.
Great, thank you so much. We'll be going straight into a demonstration and photographing one of his rings that he just finished. Was there anything you want to tell us about the ring?
I made some time ago that ring, that Pero wearing them. So the customer sent me back to place the rubies.
Right.
So I refinish again.
Okay, sure.
Yes, I made, you're right. Yes. So those are the kind of customers who sends me special made ones, custom made ones.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Mostly I make original pieces, handmade.
Mm-hmm.
I love so much antique styles.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and with the time I will show some special work which I have. Mostly of them almost done and gold with the stones.
Okay, awesome. Okay. So if we capture a 360 video of this, it's something you can keep for yourself and send to your customers as well.
Right,
straight
sure,
after.
I would.
Okay, sure. So let's jump straight into the demonstration. So we've placed Victor's ring inside the GemLightbox already. All we need to do is zoom in until the jewelry is in the center. I'm going to rotate this to the front before we begin. So once it's centered, we tap to focus, increase the brightness until we get a beautiful white background like this. And so increase the brightness until we get a beautiful white background like this. And tap the red button to record. So just like that, we've captured a beautiful 360 video. And now if we do photos, we simply click into camera mode. We zoom into the jewelry same as before. We tap to focus, increase the brightness until we get a beautiful white background, and we tap to capture. Now this saves into our gallery, just like that. To shoot the side angle, we simply rotate the jewelry to the side by clicking the arrow keys inside the application. Once it's on the side, we click the capture button again to take the photo. Thank you, Victor.
Okay, thank you too.